Our national bird. Our national bird is the peacock. It has very pretty blue and green feathers. It has a long and beautiful tail. It has wings, but it cannot fly very high. The peacock looks very graceful. The female bird is not as pretty as the male. She is called a peahen. The peacock's cry is loud. Just before the rains, the peacock spreads its tail feather like a fan and dances. The peacock eats grain and worms. It also eats snakes. The peacock is famous for its graceful dance and loud cry. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to learn more essays from Suman's Academy.